Hello, trading is closed on April 28th, 2017. My last call said that the most likely thing was that we had a gap outside of Thursday's range, which we did. I had a target of 23.9150 that printed, and there was resistance over it. I didn't have a directional call. During the day, MEJT said this drop was false. These drops were false. One target was hit. This one wasn't. 2386.89 is a target most likely to print by early Tuesday, and that's my call. I have mixed signals. The most likely thing is we gap outside of the day's range. Next most likely as we close, it'll change. I'm hoping that we get the next most likely. I'm hoping we close, it'll change. It's positive that after dropping all day long, we couldn't hold on to any of these lows. That would be invalidated if we gapped down and promptly took out this low. But it's negative that we dropped all day long on a Friday. Almost always we carry through at Monday's open. If we gap up sharply instead, which I'm not predicting, it's a sign that something else is going on. We've been wishy-washy a few days. I think we're going to be wishy-washy a few more. This is the big trend line. I'm hoping it holds. Here's bar 13 of a sequential sell signal. We now have 7 more bars of setup. We're 2 bars away from a 9-13-9 sequential sell signal. So if we go up 2 more days, we get a new sell signal. There are lots of ways to count this. Here's what I think is going on. I think we completed purple wave A down. You'll recall that we have ABC with the gray B, and we're in gray C. That's my count. So here's purple A down. If this is A, B, C, we now have C equal to 2.618 times A. If you look at the smaller wave C here, at the shorter term pattern, you can see it's easy to count. Here's 1, 2, clear 3, 4 with C equal to A, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at today's open. If that's the count, then we have a leading diagonal triangle for 1. We should have an ABC for 2, which is why I think we might piddle around a day or 2 more, and then we should start wave 3 down. If we overtake today's high, the count's killed, and that would be a reasonable stop. So I have a target of 2386.89, most likely to print by early Tuesday. We have all we need for a drop here once we get confirmation. But if there's no confirmation and we go up instead, it fails in grand style. I'm sticking with the call that this is a topping area for now, but it wouldn't take much to get me to change my mind, and that's today's call.